Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're first to get my videos. In today's video, I'll be using my Apres Gel X nail full cover tips, and this is the one I got. I had gotten this one from Amazon, and it's for a square, and I think it's a medium. But I will be using my little tripod today to start the nail, and that's what I normally use. I got those from Amazon in order to stick them on I call them my tripod. So I'm just going to file the inside of each of the nails and go ahead and clean it off with acetone after. So with this design, I will go ahead and stick them on my tripod in order just to paint, because I'm not painting the top part, only the bottom part. And my plan was to use Madame Glam Builder in order to adhere them to my nails. So I am just roughing it up the top, filing it up a little bit, and clean it off with acetone. So this is the yellow that I'll be using, and I'm only using it for there. So that's the free edge, so I don't have to worry about it not adhering to my nail bed because it's a free edge, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead and do that. I think I ended up doing about 3 coats with the yellow, and just curing that. And I kind of wanted my nail bed to be like a brown or a pink color, but I ended up not using the Madame Glam Builder because this is the second time I've tried to do it with this Madame Glam Builder, and it does not cure. So again, I know they like to say to use same products with the same, like if I'm using Kiara Sky jelly tips, use all her products, her builder, her primer, all that sort. And also with the Apres have their own system. I also have the Chan gold system, the gold bag with all the stuff in there, so I could have used that, but it's so weird because even though it's supposed to use, like they claim the same curing lamp with the, like if you use Orally products, use Orally lamp, Kiara Sky product, use Kiara Sky, and that's ridiculous because some people want to buy the less expensive product, and it has worked for me. So this is the first time I've experienced it with Madame Glam. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my rhinestone, and I'm using right there Kiara Sky Builder in order to adhere the rhinestones. So I ended up having to use Kiara Sky Builder in order to adhere these to my nails. So it works for that. So I don't know why Builder from Madame Glam does not work. I don't know why. So anyways, if you know why, leave a comment. I don't know what else. This is the second time I've tried it, and you can't say, like, you can't expect to paint the nails red and then use Builder to adhere them because the lamp won't go through the red. So this rub top is clear, and the Kiara Sky jelly Builder worked. So I don't know, but anyways, I just wanted to try this design. I will link my pedicure because my pedicure was yellow with flowers, and the original design was for my ring finger to have all rhinestones, and then I ended up painting it, and I just realized, crap, what did I do? So I ended up trying to put flowers on the inside, like the nail bed part for the ring finger, and I didn't like it. It was too much. I think if I would have, hey guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you're first to get my videos. Yeah, so I'll show you that I didn't like it. So later on I ended up doing all rhinestones on new full cover tips, which I'll show you that as well. So I'm getting ready to do my pedicure again, and I think I'm gonna go with pink. And these were cute, but I see that's how it looked, the flowers. If it was all flowers, I think I would like it. So that's my prep, and that's my primer, the Young Nail Primer, the white one. But I will not use the dehydrator because I didn't want them to last long. Anyways, right now this is when I decide I'm gonna do the full covered with rhinestone. And believe it or not, if you don't paint the cover tips, you can put on your rhinestones like this and then put them on after with the builder. it works because it goes through the rhinestones, the lamp. So for me, I love, 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 love rhinestones, but I cannot sit there and do all my nails right, all my 10 fingers rhinestones and then cure it. So I'm like, how can I do this so I don't have to sit here and deal with it? So this is a good way to show that it does work. Actually, those fingers stayed on the longest, and I'm just cleaning off all the sticky stuff with alcohol, putting away my nail supplies. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up everything, and then I'll start to adhere them to my nails. And I only end up using primer, and my primer was finishing, so I had to get up and get another one. This lasts it lasts pretty long. So I've noticed that the dehydrator that I normally use on clients or family members, I call them clients, works along with the primer. I have no chipping, no peeling, no lifting. Of course, I buffed the nails, and in this case, I think I did it off air camera. Guys, I love this gelish lamp. It's portable. Kiara Sky kit comes with a little one, but it's not portable. You need like a USB to plug it in. And it's still kind of small to try for me to try and fit my hand in there, like my finger by myself. So I end up getting this gelish lamp, and I want to try their tips as well to see how it works. This came with a free primer and dehydrator. So I still have that to use, but I don't use the dehydrator because even though you could use alcohol, I don't use the dehydrator because I don't want these nails to last long. So with the primer and barely prepping my nails, like filing it and that filing it and yeah, just filing it and primer, and don't completely buff the inside. And normally I put primer on the inside of the nails. It lasts maybe a week and it starts popping off. But my hands are always in water anyways. But it's okay because I'm trying to just get ready to do some other nail design. So I'm just showing you how easy it is with my gelish lamp in order to adhere. And look, this is the one that's all covered with rhinestones, and yes, it's still cured on my nails. So yeah, so that's what it is. And it's easy to do this because sometimes I could do one hand, and if I'm tired, come back to another hand, and then when I'm ready, I put them all on the same time. So I'm doing a pink, well actually I want to do pink pedicure, and then I don't know if I'm going to do flowers or Louis, I'm not sure, but anyways, I have green polygel that I want to use with dual form. I want to try that. I've had it for so long. I want to try to see what it. Anyways, look at it. It came out really nice. I like it. So I'm just kind of filing up the top because I stopped using e-file on myself because right now it's just hard for me to file it without hurting myself. I'm just not 100% yet. So anyways, you guys, I hope you like and I will link my yellow pedicure because those were really cute too, and the thumbnail was really cute. These are flowers from my yard, and just to show you what it looks like. So one hand is off already, so I'm waiting for the left hand to come off in order to do the green polygel. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. My goal is to hit 10,000. It's been a while, but oh well, I'll just go with the flow. Thanks, guys. I haven't been showing my face because I haven't been well. Thank you, and have a great day.